Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are conducting the webinar on busy mobile application. Busy on the go with mobile application. In this webinar, I'm going to explain you about the busy mobile application configuration with busy software. Also, I can overview the demonstration about the busy mobile application. So what are the features that available in busy mobile app and what are the reports that is really that is available in that mobile application, how it is help us. Everything I can going to demonstrate in this webinar. And if you have any queries, you can note down and you can ask end of this session. And also we have the Q&A chat box in this Zoom platform. You can use that platform to chat with us. And let us begin the session. And before the session, the first part of the presentation, that is the PPT overview. And then I can show you the practical demonstration. Finally, we will see that question and answers from you. Okay, now we will start. In busy mobile application, that is a cloud mobile application. Recently, we are launched from our end. And this busy cloud mobile application is very useful, user-friendly application. And the busy accounting app seamlessly integrate with busy desktop software. And it provides the mobile access to financial and accounting data. User can create, sync, share the quotations, orders, invoices, and receipts on the go. And sharing them with customers and team members also. And the mobile application, this mobile application offers real-time updates for the busy data. That is all kinds of reports available: receivable report, payable report, stock report, and over 100 plus reports it is available in this mobile application. And benefits of mobile application, there are a lot of benefits in that new mobile application. And it is compatible with both the Android and iOS platforms. Easy setup configuration, very easy setup configuration. 100 and plus reports and sharings are available. You can share it, save it, sync it anytime, anywhere you want. And it is available for all the busy editions like basic, standard, enterprise, all the three editions. You can able to configure this new mobile app. Also, we are able to create the quotations, orders, sales entries, receipt entries, etc. And this mobile application, it can helps to view our data 24/7. And we are providing the incremental upload provision so that the data will be synced incremental manner. So it is taking very less time compared to bulk data upload. So incremental uploading, it takes place with the help of busy agent utility. Also, we are able to print the printout. That is, take an invoice from the printer, Bluetooth printer. You can directly print it from the mobile application. If you have the Bluetooth printer, we have that integration. In next slide, the cloud sync architecture will be like this. First of all, we have the busy software in our desktop, and that desktop data will be synced into the cloud platform. That is a cloud. Cloud will stores that data, and you can access the cloud data with your mobile application anytime, anywhere if you want. From desktop software to cloud data synchronization, in busy, we need the valid BLS subscription. If the BLS is active, then busy data will sync into the cloud. This is the very important point here. Then you can view the data anytime from your mobile application. For that, from your side, you have to purchase the mobile application subscription. That subscription that charges extra. Then you can configure certain things in the mobile application so that you can able to check your data, view your data within your mobile app. So this will be the cloud sync architecture that our mobile application will work in this manner. And port forwarding, here there will be some important factors. Port forwarding is not required for this new mobile application. But as you know that previously we had another mobile application. For that, we required the port forwarding. So some port forwarding, it will some time of technical point. But this mobile application, we don't require that. Also, we're having the enhanced user interface. So as per the latest trending technology that we are implemented in this mobile application, very user friendly it is. And no need to turn on your busy desktop software always. So previously that old mobile application, we wants to turn on our busy desktop software, then only the data will sync. But here not like that. You can turn off, you can switch off your system, then also the data you can able to access. And a few records that is in previous mobile application, very limited reports that is available. But here there are several reports enhanced, that's a very user friendly reports, and very advanced level of reports we are able to get it here. Also, bulk and incremental data updation, that is data uploading is available. You can if you want to upload the data in a bulk manner, you can upload it, or else you can, we have the incremental data upload. Incremental data upload, it is happened through the busy agent application automatically. And anytime, anywhere, if you want to access the data, you can access it. This will be the cloud sync architecture that we are using in that mobile app platform. Configuration on desktop. Here, there are various steps we need to follow to configure the BD mobile application. The point number one, that is a step number one, is configure BDEP ID. The busy data exchange platform ID that we need to create in our desktop busy software. That ID will be created by the operator or owner. That ID will be you can give any specific characters or anything you might you can give. Step number two is create the voucher series for transactions. We know that's voucher series. By default in busy, we have the voucher series main, GST, like that. But for the mobile application, the important point here is we have to create one separate voucher series for the transactions, receipt transaction, sales transactions, quotation, order, etc. And step number three here is create the cloud sync users. The cloud sync user creation menu is available under the administration. Here you can create the cloud sync users and give the permission for that user. What are the permissions they required? What are the reports they want to check? What are the transactions they want to enter? That the admin user have to be decide, and they have to give the permission for that. And the step number 5 is cloud sync data upload. After completion of all the configurations, we have to upload the desktop software data into the cloud. That is called bulk data upload. So then configure the busy agent configuration and enable the incremental upload. That incremental upload provision is available in busy agent that you can enable. So this is the configuration in desktop busy software. Next, we will see the configuration, how to configure the BDEP configuration, and how to enable the mobile application and select the cloud sync option. This is the small screenshot about the BDEP configuration. And this BDEP configuration is available under the General tab, Administration Configuration General tab. There we have the option of BDEP. Enable that, then click on Configuration button. This type of screen will appear. Here we need to create one new ID. Fill all the information like address, phone number, email ID, contact person. If you want to add the logo, you can add it. Finally, save it. So this is the BDEP creation. Then you can enable the mobile application, and also you can enable the through cloud sync. Then only the cloud sync is possible here. So this is the configuration of BDEP, and you can enable the mobile application option. So these are the important steps here. And next point is voucher series. How to create the voucher series separately for our transactions, So you can go to the voucher series configuration menu. There we have sales quotation, sale order, purchase, sales, receipt entry, etc. types of voucher types. Click on that and you can add the new voucher series. You can give the name anything you want, not like mobile app. I'm given here mobile application, but if you require any other name, you can give it. So this type of voucher series we need to create for the mobile application transactions. In next slide, we will see the create cloud sync users. The create cloud sync users, this feature option is available under the administration user. There we will get the create cloud sync user. The cloud sync user you can create by the username or any extra characters. If you require, you can add it, no problem. Here there is no any restrictions for the characters. Also, you can create the password, re-enter the password, enable the required features. What are the reports required for the dashboard? Sale turnover, purchase turnover, receipt payment, cash balance, bank balance, bill receivable, bill payable. So what are the required reports required for that particular user? You can enable it. Also, we have the accounting reports, inventory reports, top reports. The top report is, it means it can help you to analyze the top value reports. It might be customers, it might be suppliers, it might be items sold by value, items sold by quantity, etc. So after that, we have the transaction rights also. For this user, what are the transactions they wants to do? That admin user have to be decide and they have to assign for in this particular configuration page. Also, we have the sale type, sale type tagging, material center tagging. So this will be the configuration part. So for the cloud user, you have to create like this. And sometime if I'm not enabled any particular transaction rights over here, then if you try to enter any sale or sale order entries from the mobile application, it can give you the warning message saying that the permission is not granted. So that type of message, it can appear in the mobile app screen. And this is the cloud sync data uploading on cloud. Here you see that this is the screenshot of the particular cloud sync option. In the administration panel, we have the cloud sync. There we will get the bulk upload. Click on that. This is the cloud bulk upload. And below on that, we have the incremental upload also. Incremental upload is possible from manual as well as the busy agent through. The busy agent option, it can be synced automatically. But if you required any manual incremental upload from manually, you can do it. And upload data to the cloud sync server. Here in a below screenshot, you can see that the cloud sync ID, it is showing that 21666. This is the cloud sync ID. Based on the cloud sync ID, that data will be synced into the cloud server. And here the data size is showing that 20 MB, approximate time is 2 minutes. Based on the data size, the busy software is showing you that the approximate time to sync the data, 2 minutes. If the data size is more, then it is showing the more time. Normally, in a busy data size, if it is more than 1 GB, then also you can able to sync the data to the cloud. There is no any problem. And also it is showing that number of masters, number of vouchers, tables to be synced, etc. And once you press the start uploading button, then it is starts to upload the data to the cloud server. So this is the cloud sync mechanism in Busy. And here, this is the Busy agent configuration. In a Busy agent configuration, we have added one separate button like cloud sync configuration. So now you see on the screen here, cloud sync configuration. If you click on that option, you will get one cloud sync configuration window. Here you can enable the automatic incremental sync, and you can set the interval of times, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So this is the user defined interval of times. The user have to be decide, and they have to enter the interval of time over here. Then save the option and add the Busy agent exe to the startup. If you add the Busy agent to the startup, once the system will be started, then it is start their process. So no need to worry about the data syncing. It can be managed through the busy agent. And here this is the now I will show you some of the configuration on mobile application. The step number 1 is you have to download the busy mobile application in your mobile and specify the login credential. To download the busy mobile application, you have to visit your app store or play store. Directly you can search busy accounting software, then you will get this type of icon. Download it, put the login credential like BDP ID, Cloud Sync user, Cloud Sync password, etc. and put one activation code. If you are a demo user, then you will get access demo mode. Then that I will show you later. Then you are able to access the demo mode. If you are a subscriber, then you will get an activation code from the busy company side. You can put it over there, register it, and it will be ready to use. So this is the very basic configuration method. Anyone they can do. So later I will show you how to download the busy software. So busy software, this mobile application, mobile application, it is available on iOS as well as the Android. And it is developed by the Busy Infotech Private Limited, no any other third-party company. Directly, we only developed that application. And current release of this version is 1.13. And for that, we need to require some operating system. In your Android phone, we required 5.0 above Android version operating system. For the iOS, we need 11.0 above. And this latest application is released on December 21st, 2022. And the size of the application is 25 MB. One important note over here is to use this mobile application, it is required to have a mobile app subscription, also active BLS. So this is the important point for this mobile application. Going forward, let me show you the registration steps. So specify the login credentials like BDP ID, Cloud Sync username, Cloud Sync password to this mobile application. You will get this type of screen in a mobile application. First time if you open the mobile application, then you will get this type of screen. If you want to access the demo mode, you can see the below of the mobile app, we have an option, access demo account. You can click on that, then directly the company will open. But if you are an active subscriber, then you have to define the BDP ID and a Cloud Sync username and password. Then you will get one OTP activation code in your registered mobile number. You have to define the OTP, then you can proceed securely. Once you proceed securely, then the mobile application is ready to use. So these are the registration steps. Here, one more important note is, anytime if you want to change your device from one device to another device, no need to worry about that. We have the provision. You can change the device. While changing your device, you will get one OTP in your registered mobile number. Put it insert the OTP and you can change it. So this is the registration. And now you can see the reports, like it's a dashboard of the mobile application. You can get 100 plus business reports, day book, account ledger, amount receivable, payable, bill receivable, bill payable, etc. Also, you can able to access your stock data. How much stock will be there? How much pieces is there? How much boxes is there? You can get from the stock report. And also you can access the sale and purchase registers. How much sales have been done? How much purchase have been done? Which customer have done purchased more? And you can get all types of reports over the mobile application. And this is the order punching. Directly you can punch the orders from the mobile application. And we have the sharing option, share the quotations directly from the mobile application through to your Telegram, WhatsApp, Gmail, Google Drive, all other applications. And receipts capturing also available. You can punch the receipt entry. You can, if you receive the amount from parties, you can directly enter the receipt vouchers and it will be come to your desktop. Generate the invoice in a single click. Within a single click, you can generate invoice. And these are the reports available in mobile application like daybook, account ledger, amount receivable, amount payable, bill receivable, bill payable, trial balance also you can view, stock ledger, top reports. Top report means it's based on the top value of the reports. For example, any customers, if they purchased more from you, then that customer name will comes into the top of the red report. That is called top reports. Top customers, top quantity sold, top quantity purchased, etc. These all are comes in the top reports. And also you have the customers top reports, items sold by value top reports, item purchased by values top reports, item sold by quantity, item sold by quantity, item purchased by quantity top reports, etc. And transactions also possible, like sales quotation, you can directly punch it. Order, you can directly punch it, sales order, sale invoice, receipt voucher. All you can do from this mobile application. Once we punch the transactions in the mobile application, busy desktop, we have to download the data. For that, we have one button like download data. Once we press that button, all the application, all the transactions, it can get downloaded into the software. And also in this mobile application, it is like a multi-financial year. It is you can able to access multi-company. You can add it multi companies, and also you can create a number of cloud users also. So these are the transactions. And now see the now we will see the practical demonstration, how it is work and how to configure that. So I have created one new company name called mobile application demo. Let me open the company. Here I can add my username. This is busy username. Now the company is opened. Now let me show you how to configure that. Come to the administration, configuration menu, feature and options, general tab. Press the F3 button. Then you search the BDEP. So the BDEP option will be here. Enable it. Before that it was no. You want to enable it. Then click on the configuration button. This type of screen will appear. Here, now I added on BDEP ID already. But if it is a new configuration, fresh configuration, we have to create a new ID by pressing this button, create new ID. Put the ID name like this. Put the password. Create the password, whatever you want. Recheck the password once again. The company address and company name, it is comes automatically. If you want to require to change, you can change it. Otherwise, kept like that. Add the mobile number. Enter the email ID, contact person name, type of trading. Also, we're able to add our PAN number, GST number, BDP logo also. We have the logo means you can add it like this. Then you create it. After the creation, we need to log in our BDP. We need to enter the BDP ID password once again. Then we need to save the configuration. So this is the configuration of BDEP. After the configuration of BDEP, we have to enable this mobile application option. This one. Then also you can enable the through cloud sync. So here we have two options. No need to confuse about that. This one is the old mobile application. I said that before, we have one old mobile application. For that mobile application, we need to configure the port forwarding, etc. But this mobile application is cloud. No need to, not required to do the port forwarding. But we have both options here. So here we need to select the cloud sync, through cloud sync. After selection of this option, you can save it directly. Now the configuration is done. The next part of the configuration is we need to create the cloud user. How to create the cloud user? Come to the administration, users, cloud users. So as you've seen on my screen here, the busy user is different, cloud user is different. The busy user means the company user, busy desktop company user. Cloud user means it's a mobile app user. Here I already created one username. If you want to create any new user, you can add it. For example, Raju, he's the user. Create one new password, recheck it. What are the reports required for Raju? You can enable by ticking these options. All is user friendly, user defined. The admin user have to be decide this user, what are the reports required for this user, and they can enable the required things. The same way we have in accounting reports also, trial balance, inactive customers, account ledger, day books, and inventory reports also, stock ledger, stock status, inactive item, etc. Top reports also available, customer, supplier, item sold by, everything is user defined. The admin user have to be decide. Next, here we have the transaction rights. Select the series. In which series they wants to enter the transactions, you can select here. For the sales, you can select. For the purchase receipt, you can select. Order, you can select. Quotation also you can select. Define the sale type, local as well as central. Both you have to define, then you can save it. So this is the Cloud Sync user creation. You can create n number of Cloud Sync users. Now I created 2 users over here. After creation of the Cloud Sync users, the next part of the configuration is data upload. This will be very important. Up to here, everything is okay. Next, come to the data upload process. That data upload process comes under the administration, data export import, Cloud Sync. Here we have the 4 buttons: bulk upload, incremental upload, download transactions, delete data. Bulk upload you have to do first time after your configuration. Each and every time you need not to do for this bulk upload. The very first time only you have to do a bulk upload. For example, in your company, if you have big data, 1.2 GB data, 1 GB data, or 2-3 financial year data, that you have to do it bulk upload process. After completion of the bulk upload, next onwards, if you want to upload the data, you can use it incremental upload. Incremental upload. So incremental upload, it is a very fast method to upload the data, because previously uploaded data, it cannot be re-upload once again. It cannot upload. It is uploading only the fresh data, new data. That is why incremental upload is very fast, and within fraction of seconds or within fraction of minutes, you can able to upload your data. So these are incremental. And another thing here is download transactions. So suppose I am punching the order, quotations, invoices from my mobile application. That data, if you want to see in your system, you have to download the transactions. So this is the pending transactions. I feed it from my mobile application. You can get it from here. Download transactions. These are the 2 entries available. Now I want to save the transactions, means you have to select it all. We have the select all options, or you can select one by one also. Select it, then you press the F2 button, save it. So this is the transaction saving options available in Busy software. Download the transaction. It's incoming. Next is delete data. Some case, if you want to delete your cloud data, you can use it. You can delete your cloud data. So this is the very basic configuration and basic things you have to do for your mobile app configuration. Once everything is done, the mobile app is ready to use. Now, I'm explaining you the mobile app configuration in mobile so that I can connect my system to the mobile. So as you've seen on my screen, this is my mobile. Here I have downloaded my Busy mobile application already. If you want to download it, you can go to the Play Store and you can search Busy accounting software like this, Busy accounting software. Then you will get this type of logo. So this is my, I said you that old mobile application. The blue color, it is an old mobile application, previous application. But now we launched this red color application. You can click here and you can download it. After the installation, open the mobile application. So open the mobile application, then first dashboard will be like this. Dashboard will be like this: sales, receipt, cash, bank, bill receivable, all. It's a dashboard. It is called dashboard. You will get all types of reports over here. If you want to log out, then you can go to the settings option. You can log out. This is the logout. Now, I said you that demo account. You can access your demo account by pressing this option, access demo account. Any person, if they are using Busy software, but they don't have the valid mobile app subscription, I request them to use this demo access account. Or anybody, if you want to interest to use the demo account, you can use it. Just log out. Here you can see that access demo account. And sometime it is asking you to enter the BDP ID. You can enter it Busy. And username, password, it is demo. Make a note of this. The BD for the demo account, if it is asking any username, you can give demo, or if it is asking any BDP ID, you can give it as Busy. Next, so this is the company. So I can log out once again, and I can use my actual subscription BDP ID. So this is the dashboard. If you want to see your sales report, you can click on the sales. As you here, you can see all the sales that will be done in a particular date range. If I want to change the date, then I can select, then I can click here, and I can able to select the date, from date to date. Or I need to check only 2 days transactions from 1 to 2. Let me select like this. So it is giving only 2 days transactions. Also, we have the ledger group wise filtering. You can filter it by group ledger wise, or you can filter it by bill wise, or you can filter it by voucher wise, or you can filter it by stock item wise, or you can filter it by month wise. All the types of filtering, that is a group by filtering, available here. Then type is also available: net rate, gross rate. 2 types of type available. You can use it. So this is the sales report. Now let me come back and I can show you the receipt vouchers. So these all are the receipt vouchers where you have entered. You can see here, and you can select the date, whatever the date you require, you can select it and you can view the report. Apart from this, we have cash balances, bank balances. You can see that OD account, current account, both the bank accounts, it is showing here. Bill receivable, what are the ledgers that bill receivable is there? All the ledgers details will come here. Click on that particular ledger. It will give you the full information. And in that we have the sharing option also. You can click here, sharing option, you can share it. For example, if you want to share it from WhatsApp, open it, select the party, send it. So now the ledger statement will gone. So this type of sharing option is also available. Now let me come back to the mobile app. Here, not only WhatsApp, you can share it from Telegram, share it from Mail, Drive, any other platforms also. Now this is a bill receivable. Also we have the purchase report. These are the purchase registers. These all are the purchase summary. If you want to view it, you can just click on here, click the particular party, and bill view bills will come here. These all are the bill details. Here you can see the bill numbers, total value, date, etc. Again, you can view the voucher. So these all are the items, and items value, quantity, piece per everything, per piece quantity, per piece price, everything is come here. And next is payment. The similarly, you can see the payment, bill payable also. Next, here we have one arrow mark. If you press here, arrow mark, here you can add new companies. If you want to add the new company, you can add it. Add new. So this is the add new company option. Now let me open my another account. Just log out, and I can use my actual company, like see. Okay, here if you press arrow mark, so this is my actual subscription mode. Now it is, now I open my subscription type busy license. Here you can see that Lulu Supermart, mobile app demo, and supermarket. There is 3 companies I already added myself. If you want to access some other company, I can select like this. This is the company switching. How we using the open company option in busy desktop, the similar way you can do it from your mobile application also. And also we have the financial year changing switching. You can come to the here we have the 3 lines. You can click here, come to the settings, and you can change the financial year also. Now I logged in my 24-25 financial year. If I want to change my financial year to 23-24, so let me click here, and it will be changed to the previous financial year. So in this way, the change financial year we have to do. Also, we have some options like sales entry. Here you can see that this is the sales related information. From the date range wise, you can able to see here. Now I can switch my company to mobile app demo. Here I have the quotation, invoice, order, receipt, all entries, unsynced list will be come here. Okay. And this is the menu. Here, if you click menu, then you will able to get sales option. You can directly see the sales report or sales register. Next is the reports. If you press the reports option, here you will get day book, account ledger, amount receivable, amount payable, etc. So this is the day book report, voucher number, purchase party, value, etc. So receivable report, you can see like this. Trial balance also there. You can see the trial balances, party name, trial balances, debit, credit balances, stock ledger. You can select the particular product. You can see the stock ledger. And one more point here is we have the plus mark. Just you click the plus mark, and you can punch the orders, quotation, invoice, receipts, etc. For example, if I want to enter the quotation, you can select the quotation option, select the party, add the items, put the quantity, how much quantity you have been received the quotation from him. You can enter it, enter the price, add it. Select another item. Again, you enter the quantity, add. The tax will become automatically over here. You can see that. CGST, SGST. Done. Item name. I'm not selected item name. Okay, now it is selected. So this is the way you have to punch the quotation. Next, you press save button. It will be saved. Then it comes to the desktop downloaded data folder. This is the way how we have to punch the quotation. Similarly, you can punch the receipt vouchers, sale orders, etc. Here you can see that invoice entry. This is the invoice entry. Select the party. Voucher number will comes automatically. Add the items. Select the item name. Put the quantity. Add next item and save it. Now I can save one item. After saving, you can able to share the invoice copy to the party. Here we have the sharing option. Select it. Then you share it. And home, if you want to come, you can click the home option. Similarly, you can add the order also. Now I can show you the receipt entry. The receipt entry, first you need to select the party name. And you can put the value of amount, how much you received. Save it. Mode of receipt is regular. Receipt mode is cash. For example, if it is a cash, you have to select cash and save it. Next, you want to share the receipt voucher copy to him. You can share it directly. So this is the way we need to manage our transactions from the mobile application. So after successful transaction, you can able to download the data from Busy that available in administration, data export import, cloud sync, download transactions. That enter transactions will come here. You have to select the transactions, press the F2 shortcut to save the transactions. It can be saved. So this is the management of Busy mobile application and using of Busy mobile application. I hope you're able to understand the configuration part, managing the transaction part, syncing, etc. Now come to the Q&A section, question and answer. Here I have one questions, that is how to search the Busy mobile application on Google Play Store or App Store. The answer is you have to search Busy Infotech Private Limited to get this mobile application. Question number 2 is, can we log in app from browser? Also, no, browser it cannot support. It is a mobile application. You have to download it from Google Store, Play Store or App Store. Question number 3, how can we use two companies in mobile application? We have to log in BDP ID separately in each company and log in mobile app through BDP ID of the company. So BDP ID you have to create separately from both the company. So one company BDP ID, it cannot work for another company. So that is why we need to create separate ID, then you can access the company. And point number 4, how can we auto sync the data on cloud? We can configure the auto sync through the Busy Agent utility. The Busy Agent utility will be there. you need to install the Busy Agent utility where we install the Busy software. After the installation, you have to go for the configuration that I can show you here. After the installation, we will get one button called Cloud Sync Configuration. Click on that, and you can enable the automatic incremental sync. Put the timing over here. For example, if I want to sync the data around 5 minutes of interval of time, 5 minutes, 5 minutes gap, so that I can give the 5 minutes over here. Then you can save it and add the Busy Agent into the startup. It is very important point here. You need to add the Busy Agent utility into the startup. Otherwise, the incremental upload, it cannot take place. So this is the Busy Agent utility configuration. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody, to joining this webinar session. For further any assistance, if you required, kindly call to our 24/7 help desk, and our contact number is 8282828282. Also, you can write a mail to us, support@busy.in.